Hello everyone, I am Ms.Chawan. Today our dear student Rasan is going to present a presentation about environment. Let's all pay attention about what he has got to say.
My name is Rasan. Today I'll be talking about the environment and I'm supervised by teacher Chawan and I'm in grade 9. Let's start. So first, in order for me to even tell you or start talking about the environment or what harms it, I must first tell you what is an environment and how does it work. So let's start. What is the environment? So the environment is basically a place in which people live in, or an organism or a living creature live inside of it. The effects of gold mining. So first, let's start going off all these lists and talk about how harmful they are and in what classes they go into. So gold is a hard material to obtain. Gold is not easily found and it could be found underground through thousands of feet. For you to be able to find the gold, like last year, Erbil saw 2 floods into its city. And that was because of one reason, and that was because of its untidy water contamination. Surface water contamination is contamination also known as ari serzebiba in Kurdish. So it's basically water that's on top of earth or such things like lake. What I mean by it can contaminate our fish. Well, let's start first. Plastic is a very toxic material that goes inside of water and then after that erodes after thousands of years. This chemical makes the water very, very bad. And this water, the very large concept about surface water contamination is that organisms or fish or other sea creatures that live inside of these waters releases carbon dioxide inside of the atmosphere, which can cause global warming, but we'll get back to that later. As you can see, this is a picture of the biggest strip mine inside of the entire world, nearly located, I think, in the USA. Thank you for listening. Any questions?